Welcome back to my channel Art and Laughter. This time a funny video that happened on the train. This video shows a Negro who is listening to music on the train. He listened to music using headphones while singing. It seems his voice disturbed the passenger in the train. One of the passengers was annoyed and asked him to fight. But a fight is avoided as the man singing loudly on the train gets off. The next video, a woman wants to see the result of her photos. She took his friend's cell phone but fell into the railroad tracks. And the next funny video, the billboard doors opens on its own and hits the passenger head. I don't know what this man is doing. He recorded with his cell phone on the train during the bed flight, but action failed. His head hit the floor. It must be hard. And more strange behavior. A woman put her cell phone on the floor of the station to record it, but soon the train was running. Her cell phone was left behind. Here is a woman whose leg is stuck. Fortunately, the train is still stopping at the station. And the next funny video, two women hanging in the train like monkey. Unfortunately, a woman fell out of the train and left her friends. In this video, a busker makes a nun's behavior wrong. Ridiculous behavior of a nigger. At the station, he holds the driver's bald head. And one more funny incident on the train. A man looked like holding a baby standing in the train. The woman who showed him felt sorry for her and gave her a stool to sit on. But it turned out that this man was just acting. The baby she was carrying turned out to be just a folded cloth resembling a baby carrier. In this video, a passenger recorded a bird in the train waiting for the door to open. Somehow, the bird got in. Maybe he is too lazy to fly. Then the last video, a woman teases the father on the train, but there is no response. There is only embarrassment. Yeah, that's the video today. I hope this video entertains you at home. Thank you for watching.